Today, we delve into Taskade, a versatile productivity platform designed to streamline your workflow and boost collaboration. Whether you're managing projects, organizing tasks, or brainstorming ideas, Taskade has you covered. Let's dive in. We'll take a look at its features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives. Let's take a look at Taskade's main features. Feature-rich interface. Taskade offers a sleek and intuitive interface, making task management a breeze. With features like customizable task lists, substacks, due dates, and priority settings, you can tailor your workspace to suit your needs. Real-time collaboration. Collaborate seamlessly with your team in real time, whether you're brainstorming ideas, sharing feedback, or assigning tasks. Taskade's collaborative tools empower teams to work together efficiently from anywhere in the world. Cross-platform compatibility. Access Taskade on the go with its cross-platform compatibility, available on web, desktop, and mobile devices. Sync your tasks effortlessly across all your devices for a seamless user experience. Integration capabilities. Integrate Taskade with your favorite apps and tools to streamline your workflow further. From Google Calendar and Slack to Trello and GitHub, Taskade seamlessly integrates with a wide range of platforms. Customizable templates. Jumpstart your projects with Taskade's customizable templates, covering everything from project management and goal setting to meeting agendas and brainstorming sessions. AI-powered assistance. Harness the power of AI with Taskade's smart suggestion and real-time feedback, powered by advanced algorithms to enhance your productivity. Taskade offers flexible pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Its free plan offers basic features for individuals and small teams, while the paid plans unlock advanced functionality such as unlimited projects, file attachments, and priority support. For example, the Pro plan starts at $10 per user per month, offering additional storage and customization options compared to the free version. Experience Taskade's user-friendly, interactive, and seamless collaboration tools, allowing you to stay organized and productive effortlessly. Whether you're working solo or with a team, Taskade adapts to your workflow, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Taskade's feature-rich interface, real-time collaboration, cross-platform compatibility, integration capabilities, customizable templates, and AI-powered assistance make it a standout productivity platform. However, some users may find the learning curve a bit steep, and advanced features are also somewhat limited in the free version. Additionally, occasional bugs and glitches may hinder the user experience. Looking for alternatives to Taskade? Consider platforms like Trello, Asana, Notion, and Monday.com, which offer similar features tailored to different preferences and workflows. Each alternative comes with its unique strengths and may better suit your specific needs and preferences. In conclusion, Taskade is a versatile productivity platform packed with features to streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration. With its intuitive interface, real-time collaboration tools, and customizable templates, Taskade empowers users to achieve more together. So why wait? Sign up for Taskade today and revolutionize the way you work. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital experience. Thank you for watching.